So let's have a look at the Gdxj. Is a breakout about to come? Also, or the GDX as well too. In the gold mining stocks, are we about to see a breakout? Is this the start of a bit of a floor before the breakout? Breakout coming? Let's actually have a look at this. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, let's have a look at what's going on right now with the Gdxj and the GDX. And we're getting a little bit of a support right now, a little bit of a support in the markets. Is a breakout coming when it comes to the gold mining stocks and what's going on there? So it's actually looking quite promising. As you can see, over the last sort of maybe 6 months or so, we've been in this sort of downward sort of channel. Really not much going on. We've been in a downward movement, but as you can see, it's not really down a lot. We haven't been getting strong selling. We did get a little bit of a strong selling coming down through here. But the market may be getting ready for what I call the slingshot pattern. People say, oh, John, you said the slingshot pattern. We're still waiting for it. Guys, nothing is certain in these markets, okay? I'm not saying that this is definitely going to happen. We need to wait to see if the market is going to create that. If you're looking for certainties, get out of the markets. Actually, just sit in the corner and don't move. Have a blanket and have a Kit Kat, an apple maybe, something more healthier. And then don't move. The certainties is that you'll probably just, anyway. Right, so when I talk about these patterns such as the slingshot, I'm seeing if the market's going to give us this slingshot pattern. Because if the market gives us this slingshot pattern, there's a high probability of what's likely to happen after that. Now, what's the slingshot pattern? The slingshot pattern is we come down, hit support, come down, hit support, come down, hit support, and then we break back below it. And then we do this, and then we break back above it, and we get back above it, and we start to do that. Slingshot pattern is where we actually break below the support, and then we start to move back up. So, again, I don't know what's going to happen, guys. No one does. But if we start to get the slingshot pattern, aka get back above 52, then that's going to be a powerful sign to give us a high probability that we're probably likely to start to see the move like that in the Gdxj, because we're actually holding here quite nicely. So is the breakout, because if we do get the slingshot, then the breakout is a high probability of happening. We want to see this get back above 52. If it happens, then we're probably likely to start to see very nice moves coming out of the Gdxj. Moving over through to the GDX. And you can see that the GDX has indeed been holding here quite strong on that. Now, that support level on the GDX is probably that level through there, somewhere around about the 37 level, somewhere there, I would say. So somewhere through there. So this really needs to get back above here for it to start to really gain a bit of momentum. We have got this low, it's a high, we've got this low. So again, guys, for this to start to really gain a bit of momentum, I want to see this back above 37. Then that'll potentially give this bit of a slingshot pattern, breaking below this support level and back above 37. So for me to start to get back into long term, I'm bullish, guys, but absolutely short term, I want to see this thing back above 37. And then that weekly chart, as you can see, this weekly chart here, if we can get back above there. And then especially if we can start to get back above this other trend line here on the weekly chart, then we're probably likely to start to see another big move back to the upside. And then I would have a target around 55, I would say, where we're likely to get to. So that's the very first thing I'll be wanting to see, guys, is a break above 37. And then from that, I think we can start to see the breakout coming in the GDX and also the Gdxj. Traders, I've been getting a lot of questions asking me about, John, how do I trade the markets? What sort of system do I use? What's my approach? And so on and so forth. So I'm running a free masterclass teaching you my #1 trading system for the last 15 years. This is the most powerful and highest probability system on the planet. And I'm going to just share with you all the details. Plus, I'm going to share with you how I find and scan and do all my trading in 1 hour or less. per day. If you go to johnsfreetraining.com, you can register for this free training that I'm going to run. So go to that right now. I'm going to teach you all the details, and I promise you, once you leave this free training, not only we know exactly what goes into a good trader, so you could be a good trader, but also you're going to learn my #1 trading system, all the details so you can start to crush it. So go to johnsfreetraining.com, and I look forward to seeing you on the masterclass. Go to johnsfreetraining.com right now.